Today we're gonna do an install video on our Ram 1500. We just picked up some rock sliders from Knuckle Off-Road, and these guys are currently the only company that are making rock sliders for these Ram 1500s. So a big thank you for the support on that, and let's get started. Dylan told me my first modification should be a banger light bar, and I went with that advice, and I ended up banging my truck. You know what they say, buy sliders today, keeps the dents away. I could just sleep on this. That's how comfortable they are. Thank goodness I got Dylan here to help, because I break my back.
Break my back!
Trying to get this thing out. Oh!
These things are not messing around.
That's sliders. The passenger side is going to be the easiest side to put on. So we're going to start with that first. They include the instruction manual, your hardware, and they label every piece. They even hook you up with some banger stickers. The install time is going to be about 2 hours. Here's the hardware kit and everything that's included, along with your dimensions. The tools needed are a floor jack, 2 axle stands, 3/4 inch wrench and or socket, and a 10mm wrench or socket, if you can find yours. And they even hook it up with photos. So now you're gonna grab your 3/4 inch socket and ratchet and tighten it all down. So you're gonna wanna kinda do this evenly, right? I mean, because you're gonna add a lot of pressure.
On the top, yeah.
Don't you know what you're doing?
You're pinching. Dang!
What the hell, boy?
What the hell?
Turn to the left there, you damn scumper.
What the hell?
What the hell?
Who's that?
Who that?
Who'd that be?
You know what you're doing now,
Dude.
boy?
Dude,
hell?
did you tell him I was here?
Yeah.
Hey,
What
what's
the-
up?
Surprise.
I scared you?
He scared me.
I scared this scumper too.
What the heck? Dude, I missed you, man.
Yeah, dude.
I haven't seen you in a blue moon.
Hot minute.
A hot damn old dang. And for all you guys that don't know, that's old Jipper Skipper.
Skipper.
Yeah, hell yeah, Skipper, man. Dude, I'm glad that you're here.
Me too.
Hey, the install time is going to be an extra 30 minutes.
I scared you.
Dude, they look so good. And check this out. So they added this little plate in the back, which is nice because I use it to step up for the tent and whatnot. And you can take it off if you don't want it, but just the fact that they added is pretty cool. Well, this is Scump, the old Jip Skip. I actually met him when I met Dylan when we were rollerblading at Alga. But yeah, dude, like, he's been a really good friend of ours for, shoot, the better half of 5 years now, 6 years or so.
5 years.
And yeah, I haven't seen you in like 2 years. And then he just comes and surprises me. That's cool. So, a little
Cheers.
cheers.
Banger. You can't show up in the middle of an install without helping. Josh was happy to jump right in.
We're all. You think this one needs to come out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We had to use a rubber mallet to get one of the back plates past the plastic fuel tank cover, as it's pretty tight.
So there you have it. That's how you install sliders on your 2009 to 2012 Ram 1500. I think that looks good. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Also, if you like this video, hit that like button. Consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell because you'll be notified when we release new content. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.